Today we're gonna be unboxing the best thing a teacher can ever unbox, the presents of the students. Today it was the last day of one of my courses and my students brought me lots of gifts and I haven't opened them yet. I haven't seen what's inside the bags. I want to do it with you and share the moment with you. So let's check what's inside. Well, let's start with this bag. Let's see what's inside. I see cookies. I see lots of cookies. Oh wow, I love these ones. I love them. Even the packaging is great. So let's see. Oh my god, biscotto. Here. I have never tried them before. Do you know them? I don't know them. I will try them today. Most probably today. Chocolate with alcohol. I may not drink alcohol, but that's not a problem because I know a lot of people who do, so I can even offer. Either ways, I cannot eat everything on my own, so it's fine. So there's also this little, I think it's also chocolate. Yeah, praline. Yeah. I will take a bite now. Very tasty. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this flower. Oh, even the vase is beautiful. Let's see what else we have in this bag. What a pretty bag. Look at this one. It's so pretty, isn't it? There's still a lot of things here. Oh wow! After 8, look what I got. And I mean, that much chocolate. I will be eating forever. Thank you so much. And oh, Ostereier. What a nice packaging. Look at the colors. It's so beautiful. It's written in German. Without alcohol. Okay. Great. The beat goes on. I mean, what else do we have here? Wow. Tea. Look at this. This tea. You see? Majestic tea. Goji and Limetka. Which country is this? Oh, Czech Republic. So let's try this. Most probably today. Look at this. Look at this. Oh wow. That's gorgeous. How beautiful. Красивая, right? Thank you so much. And my students know that I'm Greek, and I think they want to protect me from the sun. I also got a sun spray. That's so cute, and even 50, and I always buy 50, you know, the protection. How cool is this? How cool is this? And there's one more thing, maybe the most valuable of all. They wrote me a letter. Can you read this? It's in German, but still, can you read this? They're saying, Erste Deutschlehrerin, liebe Iris, nehmen Sie unseren herzlichen Dank für Ihre Arbeit entgegen. Lehrer zu sein ist Ihre Berufung. Seien Sie glücklich. I mean, I have goosebumps. Isn't that amazing? I mean, you know, thank you.
Vídeo.
Дальше, иди дальше.